Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today, to get into the Halloween spirit, we're going to be drawing a little cat inside of a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Now that it is fall time and Halloween is just around the corner, I'm excited to do this one with you to get you guys in the Halloween spirit. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we're going to start with is our cat's head. So we're just going to bring that around and then do a nice curved line toward the bottom. And that is our cat's head. Very simple, nothing too complicated. And then we're going to go over to the ears, and we're going to go curve up and then curve down for a nice, almost like a half leaf that is sticking out of a rock, almost. And then we're going to mimic the shape that we just made on the inside for the inside of our kitty's little ears, just like this. And then we're going to do our paws, and our paws are just going to be two half ovals on one side and then the other. And then I'm just going to do two little lines to show the kitty's little toes. All right, so now I'm going to be doing the top of the jack-o'-lantern because it's poking out. So I'm just going to do a curved line, but I'm going to draw it around his paws. So just a little line on the ends, a little line in the middle, and another line on the ends. Now for my pumpkin shape for my jack-o'-lantern, I'm just going to do kind of something squiggly and not something that isn't perfect. You know, pumpkins are never perfect. All right, and so I'm going to just do the lines that are on my pumpkin and kind of making them squiggly and rough to make them look like they belong on a imperfect pumpkin. Now for my jack-o'-lantern face, I'm just doing a very basic one, you know, two triangle eyes, and then I'm gonna give him like a spooky smile with some teeth. Now you guys can do whatever jack-o'-lantern smile or face that you wanna do. You can make yours a little bit more spooky, or if you have a favorite pumpkin design, you can go ahead and do that. And now that I have my face on, I'm going to do the rest of those pumpkin lines, and I'm going to make sure to draw around the shapes that I just made. And just to make this pumpkin look even more imperfect, I'm making these lines kind of squiggly. Now, if you want like a perfectly round pumpkin, you guys can go right ahead and do that. I just thought it added a little bit more character having a fun squiggly pumpkin. Okay, so now that I'm done with my jack-o'-lantern, now I can go over to my cat's eyes, and I'm going to give him big oval eyes. And with my eyes, I like to do my highlights. So I'm going to be doing a big circle up in the upper right. So one big circle here, and then diagonally from that, I'm going to take it and do a smaller circle, and then right next to that, I'm going to do an even smaller circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm putting them in the exact same spot so that way my cat does not look cross-eyed. And then I'm just going to be filling in the space around the circles with black. And there you go. And now I'm just going to do my nose, which of course is just a triangle. So bring it out, around, and up. And then I'm just going to give my little kitty kind of a smirky smile. So kind of a half smile with a little line at the end and then a line underneath to show his little chin. And now I'm just ready to color, and I'm just going to go with every other stripe on my pumpkin is going to be a different shade of orange. And then for like the inside of my jack-o'-lantern, I'm going to be doing like just kind of a really deep burnt orange kind of color to make it look like the inside. And then I'm also going to make sure that I carry that same burnt orange color on either side of my cat. And with the center section of my cat, I'm not going to do that in orange. I'm actually going to be doing that the color of my cat. Now, you guys can choose any color that you want for your cat. You can even do a black cat if you want. But just for the video, gray just seemed to work the best with overall color, and then just making it look really nice. So my cat's actually going to be gray, and then I'm going to add some pink for my nose and for the inside of my ears. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to add a little bit more flair to my kitten. If you guys want to stop here, you can, but I'm actually going to be adding some rosy cheeks with the same pink that I used for the nose and the inside of the ears. I'm going to put little cheeks on him, and then I'm going to put a set of whiskers on either side. And I'm just going to do two whiskers on each side, and I just do a quick little flick line, so like I just flick it with my wrist, and those are his whiskers. All right, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more fun videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time we have a brand new video up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, we have a ton over on our channel. We have done everything from Harry Potter characters to Avenger characters, so go check those out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.